In this video, we will show you how to do a back-of-the-envelope analysis for a multifamily property. And we're going to show you how it works and looks in the phone format. On the left-hand side here, I have a setup for a property that's currently on market. And on the right-hand side, in a separate browser window, I have Valuate. And I'm going to change to the phone view, just to show you if you were to do this on your phone, how it would look. And I'm going to do new back of the envelope. And I'll go ahead and enter these details here. Base case, let's start with the purchase price that they're asking, just for fun. And now let's put in some of these particulars. It's 13 units, 10,200 square feet. Let's assume 1% acquisition costs, no renovation budget, 1% loan fees on the front end, 65% loans at 5%. Let's just say we're going to do 2-year hold. And let's take a look at the income and expense. So for residential income, we have 391,424, and for commercial, we've got 74024. And vacancy they're saying is 3%, so 11,743. And expenses they're saying are 147,998. So what we see here is that this would be a going-in cap rate of 4.7%, and cash on cash in year one would be a whopping 1.3%, and in year two that would rise to 1.7%. So obviously purchase price is not in the right place if we want to make some real money on this. And here's our sensitivity table, which is showing gradations of year one cash on cash. And so what we want to do is we want to say, all right, let's take this down more significantly. So let's maybe make an increment of $250,000. And so that will take us down to $6 million on the low end. And even that is not giving us the yield that we probably will want. So we're going to need to just really crank this puppy down here. Where do we look at 5.25? You see at the top here, it'll show your year one cap rate. And so now we're converging on 6% in year one cash on cash at 4.43. So not terrific. We would like obviously our year one cash on cash to be a higher percentage than our cap rate. And so if we can't impact the income at all, then we're going to need to again pay a lower price to get that to be right side up. And what if we paid 4.5? Now we're in a situation where our going in cap rate is 6.79% and our year one cash on cash is 7.12. Okay, and so this is using Valuate. We also have here, just for fun, a second column which will show a forward year, and you can put in some growth rates. But typically for back of the envelope, you're just looking at the in-place current year values. So now even from my phone, I can share this analysis to anybody, and I can share it either publicly as a hyperlink and just copy and paste this link and email it to somebody, or I could share it instead privately to a particular email address if I wanted to. And let's just go back to full screen mode so we can see how this beautiful analysis looks when it's in the normal desktop mode. Again, you can run a back of the envelope analysis using Valuate by doing File, New, BOTE.